welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing some citrus herb chicken, and for this recipe we're going to be using salt and pepper, my green seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, and chicken seasoning. Here I have olive oil, some lemon juice, and some orange juice. Now this is not all the ingredients for the recipe, but this is what we're using for our marinade. So let's get right into it. So first we're going to mix our dry seasonings together. And pour the salt and pepper into here as well. Next we're going to drizzle our chicken with some olive oil. Go in with some of that dry seasoning. Some green seasoning as well. Just gonna massage these seasonings all into that chicken. Don't be afraid of the seasonings. Massage it in. And I like to season underneath the skin of my meat. Next, we're going to make that marinade, and we're going to add our lemon juice into the orange juice, olive oil, some of that green seasoning blend, and the rest of the seasoning. Mix it all together. Okay. So here I have onion, I have lime, and I have orange. I'm going to start to put the orange. Onion. And put the small pieces around. Put these. Put it however you like to. So I am going in with that marinade on the sides. Not pouring it directly on top of the chicken.
Now I remove the lime slices before baking. They tend to be bitter.
So I am going to cover this up and allow it to marinate for minimum of 1 hour. Now overnight is best. So I'm going to place it in my fridge, cover it up, place it in the fridge, and I'll be back to show you guys the next step. Okay guys, so this is an hour later, hour and a half actually. And I am just going to pop this into the oven. I'm going to place the oven on 400 degrees, and it is going to be in there for just about an hour. Now be mindful that everyone's oven is different, so it might take some people more or less. Just make sure that you keep checking in on it at least every 15 to 20 minutes. And I'll be back to show you guys how it looks in the end.
Okay guys, so I transferred it to this plate. It took a total of 1 hour and 15 minutes. For the last 5 minutes, I set it to broil. I did baste it every half an hour as well. And I put in some fresh orange slices and lime slices. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel as yet and you like my content, please do. And do remember to have a good day on purpose. Bye.